Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Adobe Premiere error code 211746812. The error reads Video Preview Error, Error Compiling Movie, Render Returned Error. As per our research, the error comes when users try to render a sequence in Adobe Premiere. Users have shared that the error stops the rendering process and shows this code. According to our research, this error can come from specific effects applied to the timeline, such as the channel blur effect. It may also be due to corrupted cache files, outdated software, or device firmware issues. First, check if the error code is giving a timecode like 1M33S. This shows where in the timeline the issue occurs. In some cases, it's caused by the channel blur effect. So try disabling that effect or replacing it with a different blur effect. Also, clear your media cache and previews. You can also try making a new sequence and copying your project into it to see if that helps. If the error still comes, then restart everything including Adobe Premiere and your device. After the restart, try rendering the sequence again. If restarting doesn't help, check if Adobe Premiere needs an update. If it does, install the latest version and then try again. If Adobe Premiere is already up to date but the error is still there, then check if your device firmware is outdated. Outdated firmware can interfere with Adobe Premiere, so update your firmware and then try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.